In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make drill music in Suno AI step by step. First, head over to Suno and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Create page and start a new music project. This is where everything begins, and it's the main workspace you'll use to shape the sound of your track. Next, turn on Custom Mode. This is important because it gives you much more control over the final result. Instead of relying on a very general prompt, Custom Mode lets you guide the genre, mood, vocal direction, and overall production style more precisely, which is especially useful for drill music. Now it's time to describe the drill sound you want. Drill is usually built around dark melodies, heavy bass, sliding 808s, and hard-hitting drums. A strong prompt here makes a big difference. For example, you could enter something like dark drill track with haunting melodies, aggressive drums, sliding 808 bass, fast hi-hats, cinematic atmosphere, hard-hitting energy, and professional studio production. Try to be specific, because the more clearly you describe the sound, the better Suno can match your vision. After that, choose the style and mood of the track. You can shape the vibe to be dark and aggressive, cinematic, energetic, intense, or even more melodic if that's the direction you want. A good example would be intense drill instrumental with dark piano melodies, powerful bass, and cinematic tension. This helps give the song a stronger identity right from the start. Then decide whether you want vocals or just an instrumental. If you want a full song, you can prompt for aggressive rap vocals with confident delivery and catchy hooks. If you only want a beat, simply specify instrumental only, no vocals. This keeps the output aligned with your goal. From there, add production details that are common in drill. Include elements like sliding 808s, punchy kicks, snare rolls, fast hi-hats, dark piano, orchestral or cinematic sounds, and deep bass. For example, heavy sliding 808s, dark piano, crisp hi-hats, punchy drums, cinematic strings, and a spacious mix. These details help create a more authentic drill sound. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Listen carefully to the version Suno creates and choose the strongest one. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt by asking for more aggressive drums, darker melodies, stronger bass, a faster tempo, or more cinematic elements. If you want to build the track out further, use the extend feature to add verses, create a bridge, build a bigger climax, or lengthen the instrumental. Finally, save the version you like best, download the finished track, and if you want, import it into your DAW for additional editing and polishing. That's how to make drill music in Suno AI.